Hey guys, welcome back again, and I'm about to do the next one. I forget which one it is. Click on quest. Oh, we're on Ice Arrow Rune already. We don't need to listen to him. His things are useless, so we need to go for this, and then the owl. Well, luckily I'm an expert at this one. I've never failed this one before, so this one is probably my #1 favorite because each of those runes, whatever they're called, is on each area. Like it's like there's one anywhere, like every single area that you can't miss. So there's one in here. It is right there. There is the first one. We just did it. Easy as pie. Now we have to go upstairs. And I've done this one so many times. This is one of my favorite rooms to do. Now it is my birthday. It's not actually until November 19th, but I think when all my videos of Rainbow Fludge have been posted is when I'm turning 13. But trust me guys, Ice Arrow Rune is probably one of my favorites. And my room is just over there.
Well, find the thingy on the
Now I might do a room tour after this, but anyway, we almost missed that thing. We don't need to listen to that, but anyway, we are going over there. Easy as pie. That thing we don't need anymore. We've already got it. Now make sure to go watch my other Magi Quest videos. So far I've gotten to do 5 of these on one vacation trip. Last time I came here was only one time. No idea why, but anyway, the next thing is in here. Oof. It is right over here, so that's not it. Here it is. Now we need to go find the snowflake. Now the only negative about this quest, everyone, is that the ending is right over there, and I have to go down here and then come back up again. So that's kind of a bit of a waste of a walk. But the good thing about that is it is good exercise, for sure. Thank you. The last thing is right there. I was able to get it from all the way over here. Now we can go back up here and go find that owl. Whatever it is. Now make sure to subscribe, everyone. Everyone wants you to subscribe. But anyway, this is tiring. It is right over there. Now I used to be afraid of this painting. No idea why, but anyway, here it is.
What a clever magi are you to come back so soon for the Ice Arrow Rune. Congratulations, Magi! This powerful dragon-slaying rune is now
Yep, I know that.
That's who's.
I finally got it. And that painting right here used to scare the crap out of me years ago.
Now here's the secret.
I know, it sounds pretty crazy. That thing used to creep me out.
To reveal the missing scale.
We don't need to hear that. I got all these, and peace.